Welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. Today we will be discussing the importance of carbohydrates in our diets and how to identify if you are suffering from carbohydrate deficiency. Our diets often focus on reducing or eliminating carbohydrates, but it is important to understand the role they play in our overall health and well-being. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's get started with today's video on the signs of carbohydrate deficiency. Carbohydrates are one of the three main macronutrients, along with protein and fat, that our bodies need to function properly. They are our primary source of energy and play a crucial role in the functioning of our brain, muscles, and heart. However, if we do not consume enough carbohydrates, our bodies will not have the necessary energy to perform daily activities. This can result in a state of carbohydrate deficiency, also known as hypoglycemia. So what are the signs of carbohydrate deficiency? Some of the most common symptoms include fatigue, weakness, confusion, irritability, and trouble concentrating. These symptoms may be mistaken for other health issues, so it is important to be aware of the specific indicators of carbohydrate deficiency. In addition, people with carbohydrate deficiency may experience increased hunger, cravings for sweets, and dizziness. They may also feel lightheaded and experience sweating, shakiness, and rapid heartbeat. It is important to note that these symptoms can be indicative of other health problems as well. So if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider. Now, let's talk about common misconceptions about what happens if you stop consuming carbohydrates. Some people believe that 1. You'll crave carbs and junk food. 2. You'll be hungry all of the time. 3. You'll experience brain fog and fatigue. 4. You'll have mood swings. 5. You'll be too tired to exercise. 6. You'll be constipated. 7. You'll get headaches. 8. You'll have bad breath. 9. You'll lose too much water and electrolytes. But these instead could be indicative of other health problems. On the other hand, there are real benefits to a carbohydrate deficiency when done correctly, such as 1. No cravings. 2. No appetite. 3. Cognitive improvements. 4. Improved mood. 5. Better exercise performance. 6. Better digestion. 7. Fewer headaches. 8. No bad breath. By engaging in practices such as keto and fasting, you can experience many incredible health effects. However, it is important to remember that everyone's body is unique, and it is important to speak with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. They can help you determine what is best for your individual needs and health goals. Now, let's talk about ways to prevent carbohydrate deficiency. The most straightforward method is to simply consume enough carbohydrates in your diet. Aim for 45 to 65% of your daily caloric intake to come from carbohydrates, and focus on consuming complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. It is also important to maintain a balanced and varied diet, including enough protein and fat. This will help ensure that you are getting all of the necessary nutrients your body needs to function properly. In conclusion, carbohydrates play a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. By understanding the signs of carbohydrate deficiency and taking steps to prevent it, we can ensure that we are getting the energy we need to power through our daily activities. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.